Hello class 11 students, good evening to all of you. We are starting the chapter limits and we completed one type of sum, that is polynomial and exponential sums. In this video also we will continue those types only. I got few special sums which I want to discuss with you all. Okay, so I am continuing with the same type again. Let's see this question. Limit x tends to 0, e to power x minus 1 by x. Okay, first of all, any question solutions are from let that question is y. Let y equals to limit x tends to 0, e to power x minus 1 divided by x. Now what's the first job? Substitute this limit value here. See whether it's coming infinity or not. Substitute in the denominator 0, substitute करें तो 0 आएगा. That is coming as infinity, right? तो infinity आ रहा है तो हम इसमें direct substitution नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो what I have to do? I have to try to make it in a formula. Some process करना पड़ेगा. That process is सिंप्लीफाई करो और मेक इट इन फॉर्मूला और मिलिटन स्प्लिट करो और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशंस लगाओ. देयर आर द फ्यू प्रोसेस व्हिच वी कैन डू. सो दिस इज e टू पावर x क्वेश्चन. इन द e टू पावर x क्वेश्चन वी ट्राई टू मेक इट एज अ फॉर्मूला. सो फॉर्मूला क्या बोलता है? फॉर्मूला कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 e टू पावर x minus 1 by x. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. देखो e टू पावर x minus 1 e टू पावर x minus 1 by x ये फॉर्मूला बना रहा है. तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, x by x 1 हो जाएगा. So this is becoming a formula. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? e to power x minus 1 by x एक साथ लिख रहा हूँ. minus x by x 1 हो जाएगा. क्यों किया मैंने ऐसा? क्योंकि x by x 1 हो जाएगा. 1 कांस्टेंट है ना. जब कांस्टेंट है तो लिमिट्स के अंदर कांस्टेंट इजी हो जाता है सॉल्व करना. कैसे इजी हो जाता है? सी. So I am segregating. So why I am segregating like this? Because this becomes a formula. So now I am segregating. Now limit can segregate between minus sign. So limit of this minus limit of this. Now this becomes a formula. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? 1. सो लिमिट x is 0 e to power x minus 1 by x is 1 माइनस. अब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लिमिट? लिमिट का मतलब क्या होता है? x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो टिल इट्स नॉट कमिंग इनफिनिटी, राइट? डू वी हैव एनी x वैल्यू हियर टू सब्स्टिट्यूट? नो. सो आंसर ये 1 ही हो जाएगा. देयर इज नो x वैल्यू टू सब्स्टिट्यूट. इसका लिमिट का वैल्यू 1 ही रहेगा. सो 1 minus 1 is 0. दिस इज द रीजन. इफ यू गेटिंग एनी कांस्टेंट हियर, उसको लिमिट में अलग करोगे तो वही आंसर आ जाएगा. दैट कांस्टेंट विल बी ओनली द आंसर बिकॉज़ देयर इज नो x वैल्यू टू सब्स्टिट्यूट. दैट इज द रीजन क्यों मैंने अलग अलग कर दिया. बिकॉज x by x 1 हो जा रहा था, कांस्टेंट हो रहा था. हाँ, अगर ये x by x स्क्वायर होता देन देयर इज अ बिग इशू. बिकॉज तब में x by x स्क्वायर 1 by x हो जाता. अब मैं इसको लिमिट में सेग्रीगेट करके फायदा नहीं, ये इंफिनिटी हो जाता. सो बिकॉज सिंस आई कैन सी दैट इफ आई सेग्रीगेट इट बिकमिंग कांस्टेंट, one term becoming a constant and the other term becoming a formula, and it's easy to deal with the constant. Okay, now let's go for this question. Limit x tends to 1 x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2 divided by x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to solve this question. First job, let y equals to the question. Next, your job is to check out limit. डाल के देखो, लिमिट डाल के देखो. 1 डालो, 1 क्यूब प्लस 3 4 प्लस 1 5 माइनस 5 5 into 1 square 1 5 into 1 square 1 5 into 1 is 1. So plus 5 minus 5 is coming 0. That is the denominator is coming 0. That means what I have to do? I have to do process. Process में क्या बोलता है? Try to simplify using quadratic Milliton split or try to make it in a formula. Okay, or try to take out, make it a limit formula, try to take out Milliton split or try to apply trigonometric formula. These are the few processes we need to do. Now see what is the inside part? Algebra, where the upper one is the quadratic equation, x square whole square minus 3x square, and the denominator is a cubic equation. So my job is to simplify. Quadratic equation we know how to simplify. Milliton split करेंगे. ये रहा x to the 4 को 3x square को मैंने 2x square minus x square लिखा. Milliton split के आंसर आ गया. So numerator easily can be Milliton split हो जाएगा. So numerator can be done very easily. Now the question is why I am doing this question. I am doing this question to teach you how to simplify the cubic equation, which I already taught you in PMI chapter. Okay, principle of mathematical induction. वहां पे मैंने बताया था whenever you have a cubic equation, how to simplify the cubic equation, how to break the simplification. What is the meaning of simplification? Breaking, right? So whenever we deal with a cubic equation, we understand we cannot substitute one value because it's coming as infinity. So what I will do, I will try to break this cubic equation. Now breaking of cubic equation always we do by hitch and trial method. That is remainder theorem or factorization theorem. We have to substitute here 1, देखो 1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है कि -1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है. फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड क्लास 10. इफ अगर 1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है तो x -1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. अगर +1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है तो x -1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. अगर -1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है then x +1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. ओके, so we understand कि 1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है. That means x -1 is a factor of this denominator. So what I'm doing, I'm dividing x -1 with this one. I'm dividing this with x -1. X cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 dividing by x -1. Now division you can do on your own. So we got x square minus 4x minus 1. Remainder 0. So now in the place of dividend I can write divisor into quotient plus remainder is 0. So this I want to teach. This is the main reason why I did this question, to teach you how to factorize the cubic equation. So quadratic equation we know how to factorize, that is not a big issue. The issue is that how to factorize the cubic equation. So whenever you face a cubic equation, you have to factorize using factorization theorem or remainder theorem. Okay, you just substitute 1, -1, 2, -2 and we'll check when that term becomes 0. If it is becoming 0, if we substitute 2, then x -2 is a factor. That is x -2 को इसको divide मार दो x -2 से. Okay, if -2 डाल के 0 आ रहा है तो x +2 से divide मार दो. So we already seen कि 1 डालने से 0 आ रहा है, that means x -1 से divide मारना पड़ेगा. So now see, इसको मैंने ऐसा break कर दिया. So I can write x square -2 x square -1. इसको I can write x -1 into this quotient into division. Okay, divisor into quotient, dividend हो गया, divisor into quotient. x -1 into x square minus 4x minus 1. तो ये जो मैंने यहां से यहां किया, ये क्या किया, प्रोसेस किया. I did a process where what I did simplification of the algebras, polynomials का simplification किया. Now I can see like terms, देखो तो a square में this को फॉर्मूला खोल दिया, this भी कट गया. Now I left with this. Now the process is over. What the theory says, after process you need to check, डाल के देखना पड़ता है ना, कौन सा 0 आ रहा है, कौन सा 0 नहीं आ रहा. चलो चेक करके देखते हैं. नीचे वाला 1 -1 -2 -4, नीचे 0 नहीं आ रहा. ओके, नीचे 0 नहीं आ रहा मतलब इंफिनिटी कभी नहीं होगा. सो डायरेक्टली पुट कर दो, पुटिंग x इक्वल्स टू 1. लिमिट क्या हो जाएगा, 1 -2 1 + 1 डिवाइडेड 1 -4 -1. 1 + 2 -1 into 2 divided by, ये कट गया -4. So how much is 1/2. So y is 1/2. Okay, understood? Let's go for the next question, which is actually the wonder of the world. Okay class, now this question is really a wonder of the world. Okay, in the book, the way they did, they have considered something as y. If you see that if you see any refresher like R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal, the questions are done in a different way. I did in a different way, mostly or most of the questions. Okay, I try to manage to use the same pattern followed in every question, not to change the pattern from question to question, which makes a student confused. So I will try to use the same pattern, and that is the reason why the solution of mine, okay, whatever the solution I am doing here, and what the solution, the book, they are different. The book solution is short, but it's a wonder of the world. But what I will do here is, with respect to whatever we did earlier, whenever we see any a to the x question, okay, constant to the x, we try to make it in this formula, a to the x -1/x. हमें -1 चाहिए होता है. We try to make it in this formula. So I will here also I will try to do it in this way only. So let's check out the question. Limit x tends to 2, 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power 3 minus x minus 12 whole divided by 3 to the power 3 minus x minus 3 to the power x by 2. तो ये 3 to the power x है, ये 3 to the power 3 minus x है, minus 12 again 3 to the power 3 minus x minus 3 to the power x by 2. सबसे पहले let y equals to whatever the question is given to you. Next you need to check whether it's coming infinity or not. तो चलो चेक करते हैं. 3 to the power 3 minus x, what is x? 2. Okay, minus 3 to the power 2 by 2, x by 2 is 2 by 2. Yeah, that's 3 minus 2 by 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the denominator we are getting 0. तो पंगा हो गया, केचाल हो गया. We cannot substitute the value, right? Since we cannot substitute the value because it's coming infinity, so we need to go for process. What the process say? Try to make it in a formula of limits, or try to simplify using quadratic equation, trigonometric formulas, or Milton split. So when we, now which type of question we have? We have a question of a to the power x question. So in a to the power x question, we try to make it in a formula. Normally we do it in this way. We try to make it in a formula pattern. We try to make it 1. ऐसे किया था हमने पहले क्वेश्चंस. तो अगर यहाँ पे मैं 1 बनाऊं, कैसे बनाऊंगा इधर 1? इधर भी 3 minus x है, इधर भी है, इधर 12 भी है. So this is the issue. This 12 is creating a problem now. This 12 is actually creating problem. If you don't have 12, then making it to 1 is not a big issue. जैसे ऐसे देखो, 3 to the power x minus plus 3 to the power 3 minus x. Moreover, इधर प्लस आ गया, बीच में माइनस होना चाहिए था. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पास क्वेश्चन में माइनस है, बट देयर इज नो 12, देन इट्स वेरी इजी टू मेक इट एज 1 लाइक दिस. 1 बना दूंगा ऐसे करके, ये हो जाएगा 3 to the power x minus 3 plus x minus 1. 3 to the power 2x minus 3 minus 1. 1 बन गया ना. But when we have a 12 here, that is a big issue. So this 12 is creating problem as well as the plus is creating problem. So we cannot make it as 1. So what's my job is? My job is to first remove this power. 3 minus x power को हटाओ. So क्या करेंगे हम? You understand how I got an idea that we need to remove this power because we cannot make it as 1. So how to remove this power? 3 to the power x, limit x tends to 2, 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power 3 minus x. So can I say write like this? 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power x. ये ऊपर जाएगा तो minus x रहेगा. Minus 12 divided by again 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power x. 3 to the power 3 by 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x by 2. Okay, now take LCM. Now why I am taking LCM? क्या सोच के ले रहा हूँ? अगर मैं LCM लूंगा 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x cancel हो जाएगा. This is the reason I am taking the LCM. I am not doing randomly anything what I want. No, I am thinking one step forward. Why I am taking LCM? Because 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x is the denominator will cancel out. That is the reason I am taking the LCM. So let's take the LCM. If you take LCM, 3 to the power x whole square plus 3 to the power cube is 27 minus 12 3 to the power x divided by this term. Again take LCM, 3 cube minus 3 to the power x by 2 into 3 to the power x. So I am taking LCM, numerator and denominator with the divide sign. I am not writing in the denominator type. यहाँ पे नीचे नहीं लिख रहा, गंदा लगता है देखने में. That's why I put a division type. I have put a division sign and I have shown this part here and this part here. Now when this division sign will convert into multiplication. Okay, 3 steps will cancel out. But in the same time, you see this is a quadratic equation. X square minus something into x plus something. This is actually a quadratic equation. The students who don't understand, see here. इसको मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ plus 27. इसको ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ x square minus 12x plus 27. x square minus 12x plus 27. तो इसको मैं ऐसा ब्रेक कर सकता हूँ. 27 को डिवाइड मारो. 3 9 27. 9 plus 3 27 12 आता है. So minus 9x minus 3x plus 27. Okay, so we can break the middle term. So I am breaking the same. So I can observe that there is a middle term. There is a क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Quadratic equation. Since I've got a quadratic equation, that's why I'm trying to break it. Now, so what the problem with the students? They cannot see this quadratic equation. So that's why I'm showing it there. 3 to the power x square, I'm matching it as x. So x square, something to x, something. So what I'm doing? I'm breaking this 12x. 3 3 to the power x minus 9 3 to the power x minus 3 minus 9 12 आ जाएगा. 12 3 to the power x आ जाएगा. वहां पे इसे ब्रेक किया है. minus 9x minus 3x. So I'm breaking like this. x is 3 to the power x है plus 27. Okay, next इसको ऐसे छोड़ दिया. We can solve these two. x by 2 plus x 3x by 2 x by 2 plus x into my power will add up 3x by 2. Okay, now can you see common 3 to the power x 3 to the power x common 3 to the power x minus 3 minus 9 common 3 to the power x minus 3. Next, what to do with this? इसको तो मैं 1 बना सकता हूं, but to make this into the formula pattern, a to the power x आगे आना चाहिए, constant बाद में आना चाहिए. इसको आगे लिया taking a minus sign. ये क्यों लिया minus sign? क्या सोच के लिया minus sign? Just to try to make it now, because we need to. At the end we will try to make it in a formula. Without formula, these things will not go. Formula say what the formula say. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x. Constant to the power x आगे होता है, तो constant to the power x वाला term आगे होता है. So I'm shifting. Okay, now LCM, yeah. Finally, we end up like this. After this complicated equation, I end up to a swap. So whatever I did here, from here to here, that is process. We try to simplify and make it in a formula. Now, after process, we end up with this. So what the protocol say? After every process done, you need to check करके देखो. कौन सा जीरो आ रहा है, कौन सा जीरो नहीं आ रहा है। चलो इधर डालते हैं, 3 टू पावर 2 9, 9 माइनस 3 6, जीरो नहीं आ रहा। 3 टू पावर 2 9, 9 माइनस 9 जीरो, इसमें जीरो आ रहा है। 3 to power 2 by 2, 3 to power 3 minus 3 to power 3, 0 आ रहा है। These two coming as 0, this is not coming 0. So what's my job is, the term which is not coming as 0, उसको अलग कर दो, माइनस के सब अलग कर दिया, into limit x tends to 0, 3 to power x minus 9 divided by 3 to power 3 x by 2 minus 3 to power 3. Okay, I'm writing very small, I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not. 3 to power x minus 9, this term was coming 0, I segregate them. This term is coming 0, I segregated them. This term was not coming 0, says. So here what I will do, I will put the value of 2 and rest, again go to process, try to make it in a formula. Okay, we'll think in that way. Let me write the whole question. Okay, so we understand that here we can substitute the value and these I can make it in a formula pattern. Why? a to power x minus 1 इसको 1 बनाना पड़ेगा, a to power x minus 1 इसको 1 बनाना पड़ेगा. So I can understand कि ये दोनों फॉर्मुलाज बनेंगे, लेकिन ये वाला मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकता हूँ. I'm substituting the value here, minus 3 square in the place of x I'm substituting 2. ये जो x है ना बेटा, this is x, I'm substituting 2, 3 square minus 3 into limit x tends to 0 तो 50 से पैदा हो गया, limit x tends to 2, 3 to power x minus 1 बनाना है. So dividing by 9, multiplying by 9, 3x by 9 minus 1, 9 by 9 into 9. Again यहाँ पे 3 to power x minus 1 बनाना पड़ेगा, that is dividing by 3 cube, multiplying by 3 cube. Okay, so why I'm doing, did I got a dream? No, I'm trying to make it in a formula. I'm trying to do the process again, because one process we did, we end up with 3 terms. Out of the 3 terms, one was coming finite, we left with the rest of the term. The rest of the term which is coming 0, 0, again we return back to process, again we try to make it in a formula. This formula I couldn't do here. Why? Because of this plus and because of this 12. That's why I try to simplify the term. Now, this is constant 9 by 27, 3 to power 9, 3 to power 3 is 27, बाहर निकाल लो. So, 9 minus 3, minus 6 into 9 by 27. Calculate कर लो, cut कुछ के, you will get minus 2. Okay, what you left with inside 3 to power x by 2. 3 to power, ये 9 को भी ऊपर लाना पड़ेगा. So ये 3 to power x है और 9 है minus 1 है. तो इसको ऊपर लाने के लिए इसको पूरा a to power x बनाना पड़ेगा ना क्लास. So a to power x तो है नहीं, ये 3 to power x है, नीचे 9 को हटाना पड़ेगा. So to remove this 9, you have to write this in the power of 3. So in the place of 9, I can write 3 square. So it becomes 3 to power x minus 2. ये रहा minus 1. Again यहाँ पे 3 to power this by 3. तो कहना चाहिए 3 to power 3x by 2. 3x by 2 minus 3. Okay, 3 to power 3x by 2, 3 to power 3. This 3 will go, this minus 3. If we solve it, you will get like this. 3 to power 3 by 2, x minus 2. So 3 to power 3 by 2 into x minus 2, minus 1. ठीक है ना, ये तो बन गया बेटा फॉर्मूलास. लेकिन अब चेक करो फॉर्मूला क्या बोलता है. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, a to power x minus 1 by x. इतना करने के बाद फर्दर में करूंगा या नहीं करूंगा, नीड टू चेक वंस, क्रॉस चेक करना पड़ेगा. ओके, चेक करके देखते हैं. ये और ये सेम होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे 0 होना चाहिए. इधर क्या आ रहा है x minus 2, इधर क्या आना चाहिए x minus 2, इधर क्या आना चाहिए 0. x सेम होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए. तो पावर में क्या है x minus 2 है, तो क्या तुम्हें x minus 2 बना सकते हो इधर, और इधर 0 आएगा. x tends to 2 है, subtracting 2 both sides. So minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So बना सकते हैं. इसलिए I'm proceeding with the formula. I'm proceeding with making the formula. Now what the formula said, a to power x minus 1 by x होना चाहिए. So whatever the power is, that should be the denominator also. So मैंने खुद से लिखा, बैलेंस कर दिया, जुगाड़ मेथड. Okay, a to power x minus 1, नीचे x आना चाहिए, so I'm writing the x. So 3 to power x minus 2 minus 1, we have a shortage of x minus 2 in the denominator, so I'm adding x minus 2 on our own, then balancing it. Similarly, 3 to power x, 3 by 2 x minus 2 minus 1. Again, this should be in the denominator, so I'm writing on our own and then balancing it. Okay. After balancing, this becomes a formula. This becomes a formula. So ये कर दो. कर गया x minus 2 x. Now 3 by 2 can come outside. 2 by 3. Now we can segregate the limit. Limit x tends to 2. This term. 3 to power x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2. Limit x tends to 2. Say this term. 3 to power 3 by 2. Now see. Still the formula is not here. To make it in a formula, we have to write like this. Limit x minus 2 tends to 0, minus 2 both sides, 3 to power x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2 divided by limit x minus 2 tends to 0. But यहाँ पे क्या है? 3 by 2 x minus 2 है. So multiplying 3 by 2 both sides, then also it will remain 0 only. So that means this also we can make it in limit x minus 2 तो बन जा रहा था, that I get checked. But यहाँ पे 3 by 2 भी तो लाना पड़ेगा ना the limit. So we can make, you understand what I'm talking about? जो भी यहाँ पे है x के जगह पे, फॉर्मूला में x है ना, a2 पर x, जो भी यहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे बनना चाहिए. तो x minus 2 तो बड़ा आराम से बन गया है, subtracting minus 2 both the sides. बट मुझे साथ में 3 by 2 भी चाहिए नीचे वाले के लिए. So multiply 3 by 2 both the sides. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 to the power 3 by 2 x minus 2 minus 1 3 by 2 x minus 2. Okay, now these two becomes a formula. अब ये क्या बन जाएगा? Minus 4 by 3. What is the formula of this? Limit x to 0 a to power x minus 1 by x log of a. चलो फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं. Limit x tends to 0 a to power x minus 1 by x. इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Log of a. A is 3. A to power x. A is 3. Divided by again limit x tends to 0 3 to power x minus 1 by x. This whole thing is x 0 minus 1. Everything is matching. X tends to 0. 0 भी है, minus 1 है, minus 1 भी है. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Again log a. What is a? 3. a to power x. x किसका पावर है? ये किसका पावर है? 3 का. तो log 3. This thing is cancelling out. So finally we got y equals to minus 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay. So let me cross check once whether I am getting the correct answer or not. Okay, we got the correct answer. Okay, class, understood. So this is the wonder of the world actually. Now we'll continue with the trigonometric limits. How to solve the trigonometric limits. Okay, now see, we will start with the trigonometric limits. First question, limit x tends to 0. X, this is x. Listen very nicely. Put a headphone nicely and listen very clearly because m and x, all you will get confused with that writing. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos mx, m for mango, mx divided by 1 minus cos nx, n for nest, nx. This is the question. What's the first job? Let question ko y le lo. Let y equals to this. Okay. Now your job is to substitute the x value and check it out whether it's coming finite or not. If it is coming finite, तो वही answer हो जाएगा. If it's not coming finite, then we'll think about something else, right? So when you substitute 0 here, cos 0, n into 0. Cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. नीचे 0 आ रहा है, denominator में 0 आ रहा है. That means it is coming infinite. That means we cannot substitute the value directly. So then what we do? We try to go for process. What the process say? Try to make it in a limits formula. Try to simplify using trigonometric formulas. Okay? तो limit formulas तो दो ही होते हैं. Limits trigonometry के अंदर एक sin और एक cos. Sin और tan का. तो क्या ये sin tan है? नहीं है. तो cos के फॉर्म में. So limit formula तो बन नहीं सकता. So trigonometric formulas लगाएंगे and try to simplify. So 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos mx 2 sin square mx by 2. Similarly 1 minus cos nx 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2 nx by 2. 2 is cancelling out. So finally we end up to limit x is 0 sin square mx by 2 sin square nx by 2. अब simplify तो कर दिया. You are one process we did simplify. Now see sin square theta. Now we can make a limit formula. So we are doing here multiple process. एक process क्या simplifying using trigonometric formula. अब मैं करूंगा since sin आ गया अब मैं इसको formula बना सकता हूँ. तो formula क्या बोलता है? sin square theta के नीचे theta square आना चाहिए. So limit x is 0 sin square mx by 2 के नीचे mx by 2 whole square चाहिए. So I'm writing on our own. Since this I'm writing extra, so I'm balancing it into m square x square by 4. इसको बैलेंस कर रहा हूं. सेम गोस फॉर डिनोमिनेटर sin स्क्वायर nx by 2 की जगह नीचे sin स्क्वायर थीटा नीचे थीटा स्क्वायर आना चाहिए इनटू बैलेंस कर रहा हूं. अब x स्क्वायर 4 x स्क्वायर 4 इज कैंसलिंग आउट. So we left with m square by n square, which is the constant. I'm taking out m square by n square. Now we know this becomes a formula. This becomes a formula. We can segregate the limit. Since all the variables are cancelling out, constant taken out, we left with only these two terms, and these two terms are becoming a formula. That is the reason I'm segregating it. अगर यहाँ पे x बच जाता, कोई सारे x करते नहीं, variables कुछ बच जाते. This is a very vital step. Listen very carefully. After making to the formula pattern, if if all the variables are not cancelling out, then there is no use of segregating. We cannot segregate it because still the variables are inside. You understand? So we can segregate it only when everything is in the formula pattern. So we understand this is in the formula pattern. So limit this. हो गया. Now formula क्या बोलता है? Formula बोलता है limit x tends to 0 sin x sin square x by x square होना चाहिए. तो sin square theta by theta square मैच कर रहा है. mx by 2 whole square. बट यहां भी x होना चाहिए. x यहां पे क्या mx by 2 यहां भी mx by 2 होना चाहिए. So multiply m by 2 both the sides. We can do multiply m by 2 both the sides. This becomes 0. Okay. Similarly, sin square theta square. यहाँ भी n by 2x multiplying n by 2 both sides. So these things you have to think orally. You don't have to show. So that's why I'm writing mx by 2 tends to 0. Now this becomes a formula m square by n square into limit x tends to 0 sin square x by x square. इसका आंसर क्या होगा 1 square. तो 1 square divided by limit x tends to 0 sin square theta limit sin square x by x square. इसका आंसर क्या होगा 1 square. So y is equals to m square by n square. Okay, let's go for this question. Limit x tends to 0 sin 2x plus sin 6x divided by sin 5x minus sin 3x. First, what is the first step? Take the question as y. Let y equals to this. Now what's the next step? Substitute the value. Check whether it's coming infinity or not. Sin 0, 5 into 0, 0. Sin 0 minus sin 0, 0 minus 0. Sin 0 is 0, 0 minus 0, the denominator is coming infinity. Sorry, denominator is coming 0. That means the whole thing is coming infinity. That means we cannot substitute. That means we have to go for process. Right class? क्या करना पड़ेगा? Process करना पड़ेगा. तो simplify करो. Can we see any trigonometric formula? Sin A plus sin B. 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. लगाओ आ जाएगा ये. Sin A minus sin B. 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Formula लगाओ आ जाएगा. I'm not showing how to apply the formula. I have taught you enough trigonometry. Okay. So 2 is cancelling out. So what I can see? Sin 4x by cos 4x. I can write tan 4x. Cos 2x and sin x. Now see, after doing this process, what process I did? I simplified using trigonometric formula. After doing this process, I left with this and this 3 terms. Now what's the next job according to protocol? Substitute करके देखो. इधर substitute करो. Tan 0 0 आ रहा है. Sin 0 0 आ रहा है. Cos 0 1 आ रहा है. So this is coming finite. इसको अलग कर दो. यही बोलता है ना प्रोटोकॉल. ओके. और जो 0 आ रहा है उसको अलग कर दो. tan 4x by sin x. So इसमें तो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं cos 0 into अब क्या करो लिमिट x tends to 0. What to do? फॉर्मूला बनाओ. tan sin में फॉर्मूला बना देते हैं. तो tan थीटा by थीटा बैलेंस कर दो. थीटा नीचे थीटा चाहिए. tan x by x चाहिए. सिमिलरली sin x by x into x बैलेंस कर दिया. ओके. आफ्टर बैलेंसिंग मेकिंग टू फॉर्मूला पैटर्न वेरिएबल आर कैंसिलिंग आउट. कोई वेरिएबल बच नहीं रहा तो 4 cos 0 is 1 into 4. Now all the variables cancel out and this becomes a formula. Variables भी cancel हो गए और अंदर में formulas भी बन गया. Now you can what we can do? We can segregate the limit. Limit x tends to 0 tan 4x by 4x divided by limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. Okay class. अब ये तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बन गया limit x. बट क्या ये फॉर्मूला बना है x 4x तो इधर क्या होना चाहिए 4x tan x होना चाहिए. So multiplying 4 both sides, what's the big issue? We can multiply 4. This will become 0 only. This will remain 0. 4 into 0 is 0. So अब ये फॉर्मूला बन गया to 1 by 1. That is 4 is the answer. Okay class, I hope you understand a little bit how to do the trigonometric limits. Okay. The next video will continue with the trigonometric limits questions only. Okay. Thank you very much class.